Everyone warned me. They go, Jen, when you come forward as a survivor, whether it's addiction, there's stigmas attached to this kind of stuff. These are hard topics. That's why I love your guys' show. It's why you guys are the first show that I've come on to talk about my situation with, because you guys don't shy away from the subjects that actually matter. They were told that you were going to be slut shamed. You're going to be called a whore. The most dehumanizing things you could, I don't know if I really believed it at the time, but I had, what I had? I had hope that it was going to be okay though, because I don't have anything to hide.
Yeah.
And I was unlawfully terminated from a job that I had given my everything to as a result of.
Wait, so when you had come forward and told what had happened, they terminated you?
Correct. Yeah.